This was a wrongful death case involving the death of a 7-year-old child who drowned in a jacuzzi at a home that his family was renting. The family had moved into this home, and both prior to moving in and while they were there, the owner of the home, who did not live in the same area, had notice of the fact that the drain in the jacuzzi was missing its cover, and that posed a risk of suction entrapment. And despite repeated warnings to fix that problem, this homeowner never took the proper action to do so. And on this date, this young boy was in the jacuzzi and his hand got sucked into the drain of the jacuzzi and he drowned underwater. The really tragic part about the case is that many of his family members, including his twin brother and his older sister, were present while he was drowning. And because of the suction forces that were coming from the drain, it was very difficult for his uncle and his mother to pull him out. And by the time they were finally able to get his hand out of the drain, he passed away. So this was a challenging case because it had a lot of emotional components. And also you had a homeowner who appeared sympathetic, although his actions were not so. And so we worked very hard on this case to make sure that we spent a lot of time with the family to understand the loss so that we could better explain it to a jury. And we also did a lot of work to really make sure that we could paint this case as one that above all was about responsibility and accountability. And that when you drop the ball and you aren't accountable for your actions, then there are consequences. And so fortunately, we were able to resolve that case for over $20 million just on the eve of trial.